welcome to Polimax. I'm Robert, and here today we have a Rolls-Royce to wrap. This car belongs to one of our friends. It's a company that they are owner of a company that do weddings. They are a very prestigious company that do car hire, and they hire Rolls-Royces and very high-end vehicles for for VIP people. You have two colors on this. It will be white and chrome, black chrome as well at the bonnet, and you'll see how we'll be doing it as we go along. And yes, I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get it started. So now we are to lay the vinyl at the bonnet, and for the bonnet we decided to get a different color, which for this one will be the chrome black. We are now applying the chrome black from Avery, and this material is not as wide as the normal vinyls that we use for the rest of the vehicle here. Normally the vinyls comes with 1500 wide, and this one is only 1330. So we're gonna need to work together here to make it work, because this bonnet is really wide and long, and really we need we have about 10 centimeters short, but it's not a problem. I'm sure you'll be able to stretch that a little bit. This material is very, very hard to work with. You can't stretch it so much so it changes color. So we have the team here to work together with each of us taking in one end. We're gonna hit the vinyl and make it stretch the amount that we need. So yeah, let's go for it now. Let's get it done. This is what happens to this type of material. The chrome, every chrome, we can't really use so much force on it. So here, luckily, it's outside. We already knew, it was outside the area that we needed to be wrapped. So this is you can see the fingers in there. So as you pull, this material changes color. But like it's done here, but where we need it is all good. So it looks amazing. Great. So here we are, the car is now done. This Royce Ghost is finished now. We have done the wrapping, and I think it looks really good. For the job that this car will perform, I think it's the right color for it. And so they're gonna start using this car for current celebrities, people for weddings and events. So it looks really nice. It's like, it's a car that will call a lot of attention when you're driving it, and it's really nice to any event. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and like the wrapping as well, the way we've done it. And as you can see, it's really the way it should be. And so yeah, let me know what you think, if you like the transformation of this vehicle. And we stay with us for the next one. See you soon.